Close your eyes and get comfortable. Breathe in, letting your body relax. Breathe out, knowing that you are safe. Continue to take slow, relaxed breaths. Imagine that you have walked outside. You feel the warm sun on your face, the cool breeze in your hair. In front of you, there's a field of dandelions, as far as the eye can see. Some are tiny buds, waiting to be opened. Others are bright yellow, waving in the wind. And some have turned into white balls of fluff. Walking into the field, you notice one large, white puffball dandelion waiting to be picked. This dandelion is magical. It has been waiting just for you to come and make a wish. As you pick the dandelion, think of one wish you'd like to make today. Something that makes you feel warm and happy. Your wish can be anything. A way you want to feel, hope, or something else. Now that you have your wish in your mind, close your eyes, bring in a big breath, and slowly blow into your dandelion, sending the seeds and your wish into the world. Watch as your wish gets carried away, up into the clouds, knowing it will come true at the right time. Remember that the field of dandelions is here anytime you would like to come back. Slowly bring your attention back to your body. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath. When you're ready, open your eyes in silence.